Spaetzle maker is a sheet of metal that has a hopper on top, and the hopper slides across and it pushes the batter through the holes. The batter needs to rest for at least half an hour prior to using. So we want to make sure that we mix that batter up and get the time that we need. The batter is going to be one of the first things. Garlic takes 45 minutes. I get the garlic in the, get all your mies and get the garlic in the oven. And get the spaetzle batter made, yeah.
Does the batter need to be cool?
It is a good idea to keep it cold. You can just put it in a deli cup and you're ready to go. This can be cooked at any point in time. Kind of the neat thing about this spaetzle, because you cook it twice. The first time we cook it, we're cooking it by boiling and making these dumplings. The second time we're cooking it, we're actually pan frying it in butter till it's lightly toasted, and salt, pepper, nutmeg, and a little bit of parsley at the end. Okay, so it's a two-step process that we need to do. We have on the one end of the spaetzle hopper a little kind of tooth, and that will clip on the edge of the pan so that it doesn't slide. You can hold it together, or the saucepan. We want to make sure that we're putting the hopper so it's not dripping. You know. Right. You're like the worst AV guy ever.
Yeah, it was never really my thing.
Yeah. So we want to make sure that when we're putting the batter in, we're putting it in off the side on something safe. And I don't want to put batter on this side because it's going to drip onto my stove. So you might use, I'm only doing a small amount for demo. You'll want to use a 4-quart instead of a 2-quart, 4-liter instead of a 2-liter. So I can put my batter in. And you do have a note on here that says flour it's approximately 145 grams of flour. You want them, so I can take this, get it ready, and pour my batter in, and just push this back and forth. You can see how it drops through. You're going to do a small amount at a time. The thicker the batter is a bit better, in my opinion. But as soon as these things come back to the surface, they're done. We can take them out. We're going to put them in an ice water bath.
Wait, really? Is it that quick?
Pardon me?
Is that quick?
It's that quick. Okay, so this is a German dumpling. It's very simple batter. But you're going to put it in ice water, get them cold, then drain them out of the ice water. Set them aside to be ready to be final cooked by pan frying. Okay, so that's what you're going to make regarding this spaetzle. So they'll cook up quite easily with a little bit of salt, pepper, butter. And I'll just put a bit of, actually, I'll get these final cooked in a minute.